A faulty gene, which is known to increase the risk of breast cancer in women, has now been shown to quadruple the risk of prostate cancer in men, according to new research. The study, which was part funded by Prostate Action and carried out by the Institute of Cancer Research, shows that men with a mutated BRCA1 gene, which can be found in men with a family history of breast and ovarian cancer, are more prone to a particularly aggressive form of prostate cancer. We've known for some time about a link between breast cancer and prostate cancer, and this new evidence regarding the role of the BRCA1 gene in what we think is more aggressive prostate cancer is potentially really interesting for patients. Once we get more advanced with genetic testing, it could mean that you could go and have your genes tested, and if you had that fault, you could then be monitored much earlier. We know that the earlier your prostate cancer is diagnosed, the much more likely you are to have treatment that would cure the disease.
The ultimate aim of our research is to find genetic changes in the makeup of men that may be either at increased risk of developing prostate cancer or who have already developed the disease, but they've developed it due to these genetic changes. This will enable us to identify men at increased risk of the disease so that we can offer them targeted prostate screening, and we can then screen men who are more likely to benefit from screening. Rather than screening an entire population, we can actually target the screening where it's needed most. The second aim is to develop prevention treatments for men that are at increased risk of developing prostate cancer due to genetic changes. Our third aim is to identify genetic changes that might give us a handle on where to direct new drug developments to treat disease which has become resistant to standard treatments.